So today we're going to be installing this piece of plastic that says turd on it. If you want to get the TRD intake, I suggest you just buy it the parts separately because it's a lot cheaper than buying it all together. So we're going to be installing this today, and then after that we'll see how it looks. Probably won't be able to hear any difference or feel anything. It's kind of just for the hot boy points. So let's get to it. Jacob had this great idea to record the before and after of the sound, so we can actually see if it does make a difference, because the box is a little bit bigger, so I don't know if it's gonna have like more air or colder air, because this is a cold air intake, but we'll see what it sounds like. Ooh. Let's just get into the install. It's literally just a Phillips screwdriver to take everything out, and then that's basically it. You kind of just take everything out and put everything back in. There you go. So what is this? You're gonna move this, I think it's a MAP sensor. So there's two screws, Phillips. There's a ring for this coupler right here, another one right here. You're gonna take this off as well as this. So after you just unscrew this, and this one. It's probably not the best idea to do this when you just drove the car, because this is gonna be really hot, but YOLO.
You can't wait.
I can't wait for this shit. You know, I have to do it immediately. Okay. Okay, so this is the turd performance, and this is the other one.
It's because it says TRD on it.
Yeah, this actually adds all the horsepower. This is the only reason you buy this, is because of this right here. This logo. That's what you pay for.
Oh yeah.
All right. Well, that's.
They look like it when you turn it upside down. It looks like they're the same size.
They're exactly the same. Like honestly, exactly the same. Oh shit!
It's pretty windy.
You know what? I'm gonna put some gloves on because this is probably gonna be really hot. Oh yeah, so this is the TRD air filter. So I bought this used off of someone from the Facebook Marketplace. They actually had this drop-in filter, and then they went with a custom intake. So I was like, okay, I'll buy it. You know what? Deals, man.
Does it really just like lay in there?
Yeah, it's literally just right there. Okay, why don't you go? Oh, there we go. Oh! Now let's get this on. Make sure you put it on the right way. So these little nicks right here, or these notches, are gonna correspond to this right here. So you wanna line that up onto there. And it kind of just makes common sense because this is gonna slide into here as well. So there is a guide on here, but it's kind of common sense. If you are thinking about installing this on your own, it's definitely something that you can do on your own without any help. Even if you don't have much car experience, it shouldn't be too difficult to do. You kind of just need a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver, a little bit of pulling force to get the flanges off, and then that's kind of it, honestly. All right, well, that's kind of it. We're just gonna tighten everything, put everything back. So this goes into here. So this little nub goes into this hole. So you just push that in there. This hose goes onto this right here. Make sure you put this back so that it doesn't fly off. And then I'm actually gonna use a ratchet to tighten this, but you can use a flathead as well. And then after that, you just line up these two prongs. These are like kind of your guide pins to get the filter stuck in place. And then there's these two clips right here, one on each side. You just close them up. And that's pretty much it. This is maybe like a 15-minute install. It's super fast, really easy. And it just looks, I don't know, it looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good.
Nice. So I'll tighten everything up and then we'll get some sound test on it. I'm gonna give it a few revs, see if it sounds any different, but we'll see. Recording. Moment of truth. So I just wasted 160 bucks.
No. I think it might have sounded different.
Well, something that I do notice is there's a little bit better of a throttle response. So when I do actually hit the pedal, there's less lag.
That's cool.
I don't know if that has to do with the intake or if that's just my imagination trying to tell me that the $160 was well spent.
That's not too good spent.
Hi!
Oh, it has your name on it.
Oh, shoot!
Oh.
Sorry, damn it. Darn it. Here, is that water resistant?
Yeah, it is. I sprayed some stuff on it.
Okay.
Sorry. We're good.
Here. I don't
Smiley just peed in there.
I have paper towels. And that's it. Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't make a video on how to do this Blitz strut bar because I was way too excited when it came from Japan and I just installed it without even thinking about making a video. But if you guys want to see a video on this, I can make one. Basically just saying how to do it, and I'll like take everything off and show you guys how to do it. But that is something that I will leave up to you guys if you want to see or not. So
The people.
yeah, the viewers. So like, comment, subscribe, and there should be more stuff coming for this very soon. I'm hoping to get a new steering wheel and a lip kit, as well as possibly installing bags in this coming year, or this in 2020. So be on the lookout for those videos, and we should be doing more vlogs. And also look out for Jacob's Miata. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff to that, so we'll have videos on that. And yeah, thanks.